Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make white sauce spaghetti without cheese. Start by making a blonde roux with equal butter and flour, whisking until silky. Slowly add warm milk while whisking to avoid lumps, then simmer until slightly thickened. Season carefully with salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg for warmth. Toss the cooked spaghetti in sauce to coat evenly and finish with fresh herbs for brightness. Gather simple ingredients and prep before you heat the pan. Chop garlic and onions finely and measure milk, butter, and flour so you can maintain steady heat. Heat butter gently and toast flour just until it smells slightly nutty, not brown. Warm the milk separately to help the sauce thicken smoothly. Taste and adjust salt and pepper, then fold in chopped parsley or basil for a fresh finish. Cook the aromatics first to build a flavorful base, then create the roux and add warm milk slowly while whisking constantly. Keep heat low to prevent scorching and simmer until the sauce lightly coats a spoon. If too thick, add a splash of pasta water. If thin, simmer a minute longer. Toss with al dente spaghetti and finish with lemon zest or fresh herbs to brighten the dish for serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.